What's up, y'all? You know what I'm saying? This be your boy D Nice, coolin'. You know what I'm saying? Coming to y'all at 1:10 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my crew. Love y'all to death. Future, GQ, DG, Reap, Marty. See y'all, baby. Love y'all. Shout out to the nigga Kels, Stacks, Bo. I see y'all, you know what I'm saying? See you, baby. I'm coming to bring y'all this quick little episode right quick. You know what I'm saying? Let the people know. Get the feedback, you know? You know we love the people. You know what I'm saying? We do. Microphone Rebels. It's coming to y'all soon. Anyway, what really grinds my gears? Whack pussy. Like, you know it's wet, don't you? Like, you know what I'm saying? Girls know that it's wet. Like, you know it's wet, so why even set a nigga up for that? It's like waste a nut. Like, for what? I mean, I could have busted nut on somebody else. And so, like, I could have really, like, used that to on somebody else. You know what I'm saying? But, what I want to know is, how does it get wet? Like, what's the steps to how it gets wet? I don't understand. How can you just have some wet stuff? I think girls know. If they don't know, man, y'all fooling the shit out of me. And everybody else who has encountered whack vajayjay. You know what I'm saying? But next question I want to know is, like, how do you tell a person that is whack in a nice way? I want to know. So people out there, you know what I'm saying, y'all let me know the steps to it getting whack and how do you tell a person in a nice way. Alright? See y'all tomorrow, you know what I'm saying, same time, same place, you know what I'm saying. Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool, you know what I'm saying. Water, peace out, gone.